এইচএসসি ইংরেজি প্রথম পত্র গ্যাপ ফিলিং অ্যাক্টিভিটিস উইথ ক্লু সকল বোর্ড 2019 ঢাকা বোর্ড 2019 Every year millions of people all over the world die unnecessarily as a result of pollution. These unfortunate and avoidable deaths A number answer হবে avoidable. Avoidable deaths are brought about by four specific factors. Firstly, air pollution from factories, burning trash, and vehicle fume cause pneumonia, bronchitis, and other respiratory diseases. Then, water pollution from industrial discharge, the indiscriminate disposal number C হবে disposal indiscriminate disposal of toxic chemicals and the dumping of human waste into rivers and canals causes poisoning and waterborne diseases such as cholera and diarrhea. The next factor is the noise pollution from vehicle horns and microphones that might cause aggression and damage hearing. And finally, odor pollution from dumped or untreated human waste causes serious discomfort to our sense of smell and attracts disease bearing creatures such as rats and flies. We should take I number answer হবে determinate. We should take determinate action to control these problems and clean up the environment to avoid these unnecessarily diseases. পরবর্তীতে উইথ ক্লু রাজশাহী বোর্ড 2019 To encourage female education, the government has taken some positive steps such as giving stipends to girl students, recruiting more female teachers, etc. Yet, girls cannot receive the full benefit of education mainly because of the following reasons: religious misinterpretation, and social structures discourage girls from going to schools. Even in urban schools, girls are not allowed by many parents to live in hostels for their daughters. Safety: early marriage and childbirth make women tied to home with no possibility of going back to school. Any expenditure for sending girls to school is considered a wastage by many parents, whereas it is regarded as an investment in case of boys. যশোর বোর্ড 19 গ্যাপ ফিলিং অ্যাক্টিভিটিস উইথ ক্লু এইচএসসি ইংরেজি প্রথম পত্র থেকে Education is the process by which our mind develops through formal learning. A number answer হবে learning. Formal learning at an institution. It is mental and dash training. It is mental and intellectual training. It provides opportunities of growth and helps to dash challenges, attain challenges. Moreover, the purpose of education is to dash an individual, enlighten an individual. The aim of education is also to train individuals to make right dash, to make right choice. It enables our mind and refines our sensibility. It broadens our outlook and remove parochialism. It helps us to be dash of our rights. aware of our rights and responsibilities. Education furnishes us with an dash in expressing truth, with an eloquence in expressing truth. Therefore, it is compared to light which dispels the darkness of ignorance. কুমিল্লা বোর্ড 2019 Electronic mail or email is the communication of textual messages via electronic means. Another mode of electronic communication is telex. Telex communication is terminal to terminal. Email differs from telex as it conveys messages user to user through using the computer. Destined messages are sent to the dash terminal, same terminal where an operator dash it in a printed, where an operator distributes it in a printed form in telex. On the contrary অথবা on the other hand এক্ষেত্রে অ্যান্সার সবচেয়ে যুক্তিসই হয় contrary. On the contrary, email delivers its messages directly in an individual's electronic mailboxes based in computer. পরবর্তীতে চট্টগ্রাম বোর্ড 19 Dear Mohua, heartiest congratulations on your grand success. I became extremely happy and delighted on being informed that you won the first prize in the 4th Asian Painting Exhibition. To be the first in an international competition is not the pride of the performer only, but of the entire nation. By being so, you have earned laurels for the country. I wish your continuous success in this field. Keep on trying. Have a nice day. Yours ever, Nabin. সিলেট বোর্ড 19 সিলেট বোর্ড 2019 হাকালুকি হাওর has both economic and non-economic significance. It provides a wide range of benefits to the local people. People living here can produce fish and rice, rear cattle, buffalo, and duck. They can also collect reeds and grass in the haur. This haur system also provides resting place for the migratory birds. পরবর্তীতে বরিশাল বোর্ড 2019 Although blind people cannot see, their sense of see becomes although blind people cannot see, their sense of touching becomes far more developed than that of most sighted people. This ability was put to use by a brilliant man called Louis Braille. In the early 19th century, he invented a way of writing which bears his name. The Braille system reproduces the letters of the alphabet by a series of dots in certain positions, which are raised on the paper. The blind person runs the tips of his fingers across the pages of the Braille book and can work out the letters and numbers printed there. পরবর্তীতে দিনাজপুর বোর্ড 2019 All things that make up the environment are interrelated. The way in which people Animals and plants are related to each other and to their surroundings is known as ecology. The ecosystem is a complex web that links animals, plants, and every other life from in the biosphere. All these things hang together. The system is in a steady state of dynamic balance, which means that by altering any one part of the wave, you can affect all the other parts. For example, the destruction of forests may have serious ecological consequences. It is the responsibility of human beings to prevent the environment from being spoiled.